Let's see how we can connect devices to your interactive whiteboard. To connect a wireless mobile device, simply find the Smart View function on your compatible smartphone and select your whiteboard's name. Your phone is now connected and can be a source for material on your roll. Connect laptops wirelessly by opening the Action Center in Windows, selecting Connect, and finding your whiteboard's name. For wired sources, use the front connectivity tray. A window with your source will automatically open once connected. Wired and wireless sources can go anywhere on screen, including full screen.